Mozilla claims that a new Google Chrome feature enables surveillance. According to Mozilla, Chrome's new feature is harmful. Chrome 94 introduces a controversial idle detection API. This gives websites the ability to ask Chrome to report when a user with a web page open is idle on their device. It's not just about your usage of Chrome or a particular website. If you've stepped away from your computer and aren't using any applications, Chrome can tell the website you're not actively using your computer. Developers love the new feature. Anything you can provide them with more information regarding how users are interacting with their apps is a positive. It's enabled by default in Chrome 94, but it might not be as bad as it sounds. Like using your webcam or microphone, a prompt will ask your permission before using your idle data on a particular website. The API comes with its fair share of opponents, including rival browser maker Mozilla. The folks behind Firefox say that it creates an opportunity for surveillance capitalism. Mozilla's web standards lead, Tantek Selik, commented on GitHub saying in part, "As it is currently specified, I consider the idle detection API too tempting of an opportunity for surveillance capitalism motivated websites to invade an aspect of the user's physical privacy, keeping long-term records of physical user behaviors, discerning daily rhythms, e.g. lunchtime, and using that for proactive psychological manipulation. Hunger, emotion, and choice as an example." Mozilla isn't alone. Apple's Safari browser uses WebKit, and the WebKit development team also had some unkind words to say about the new API. We'll have to wait to see how developers use this new API in Chrome. It could end being an absolute privacy nightmare, or it could be no big deal at all. And either way, it's worth remembering that websites can't get notified of your idle status unless they ask you first and you agree to share it. You can also turn this feature off in the privacy and security settings. Check out my video to make that change easy. Just follow that link. Stay safe, stay secure, and I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.